Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day. This video is about contractor cash flow for institutional building of Sekolah Rendah Islam Al-Amin at Kemaman District, Terengganu. This will be the content for our video, which consists of project information, work program, cash flow and S-curve, material scheduling and conclusion. Moving on to project information, our project title is Cadangan Membina dan menyiapkan sebuah sekolah rendah Islam Al-Amin 4 tingkat serta kerja-kerja infrastruktur berkaitan di atas lot 4580 Geliga Besar Mukim Cukai, Daerah Kemaman, Terengganu, Darul Iman. Client and consultant involved for this project are Sekolah Rendah Islam Al-Amin, AHS Architect Sendirian Berhad, Masib M Sendirian Berhad, EMAC Consulting Engineers and Perunding NFL Sendirian Berhad. This project consists of 4-story square-shaped institutional building with gross floor area of 5,779 meters square. Type of tender used for this project is open tender and form of contract is PWD Form 203A Revised 1 2010 with traditional procurement system. Contract sum for this project is RM6,577,777. The price breakdown for this project is RM158,200 for preliminaries, RM4,434,538.10 for building works, RM850,891.90 for infrastructure work, RM1,074,147 for M&E works, and $60,000 for provisional sums. Moving on to work program. Advantages of work program is first, planning and organization that can help the project team to plan and organize their work effectively and ensure everything will run smoothly. Second, stakeholder engagement that can be used to communicate the project plan and expectation to stakeholders. Third, coordination and communication that can help to coordinate the work of different team members and contractors and have a good communication. Lastly, monitoring and control that allows the project team to track progress and identify any potential issues or delays. Disadvantages of work program is time consuming and need a specialized software, inflexible, difficult to respond to unexpected event, team project be less likely to think creatively, and difficult for team members to understand and follow the plan. How to make an analysis of the work program? The first step is to describe the contents of the element. Next, state the period taken to complete the work. And lastly, focus more on the timing. Example can be used is roof. The roof has a structure, finishing, dome roof and drainage. Roof structure will take 5 weeks from week 28 to week 33 and roof finishes from week 32 to week 36. At week 34, the dome roof will be constructed for a week. Installing the UPVC rainwater downpipe for water drainage take 1 week after roofing. Next is cash flow and S-curves. S-curve show the construction project time-cost relationship. It displays how project expenses are expected to change over time, starting flat and rising as the project proceeds. Contractor cash flow is the movement of money in and out of the construction company when the contractor completes the project. Meanwhile, the client cash flow is the movement of money in and out of the entity that is funding the construction project, typically a private individual or a company. How to make an analysis of cash flow? The first step is to describe the contents of the element. The second step is state the labor or material involved. And the third step is focus more on the cost of the element. For example, internal walls. Internal walls and partition used for our project were brick, clay brick, brick reinforcement, bonding ties, cement and mortar, and a dam-proof course are used. There are bricklayers involved. Overall cost for internal wall construction is RM118,312.70, which make it cost RM19,718.78 for each week. The duration for internal wall construction is 6 weeks, which is from week 35 until week 40. Importance of contractor cash flow and way to improve. First, manage project cost effectively. Careful cost management can help in reducing expenses and improving cash flow. Second, improve billing and collection, ensuring that invoices are sent out promptly and payments are received in a timely manner. Third, seek out new sources of funding. If the contractor is having trouble meeting its financial obligation, it may be necessary to seek out additional sources of funding. Moving on to material scheduling. Purposes of material scheduling is to ensure that materials are available when needed, to minimize waste and reduce costs, and to improve project coordination. Material analysis is analyzing in detail the type, the process, and the specification of the material that has been used in the project. The example is concrete. Cement, water, and aggregates produce concrete. It cures into a strong, durable building material for foundation and other structural parts. Composition and strength determine concrete grades. The higher the concrete grades, the stronger the concrete mix. In this 4-story educational building, use concrete grade G30. G30's JKR concrete ratio is 1:1:2 for 1 meter cube. Calculate the project concrete volume first. Next, multiply the concrete volume by JKR Malaysia material percentage to get the project cement, sand, aggregates, and water. 1 cubic meter of G30 concrete use 525 kg of cement, 0.035 meter cube of sand, 0.07 meter cube of aggregate, and 236.25 liter of water. In conclusion, work program is important to show the sequencing of works, whereas cash flow indicates the financial strength of a construction project. Furthermore, material scheduling is also one of the important aspects to consider, since it involves the process of planning and coordinating the delivery of material to a construction site. That's all for this video. Thank you.